Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you best website to learn hacking for beginners, basic level or intermediate level. Before getting started to this video, click on the subscribe button and click on notification bell icon for further updates. Okay. This is the hack the site chat arc. Before you're gonna log in, click on register and a register page will appear. Fill on all the details they asked you, and at the last click enter the captcha validation and click on agree terms. Set a security question with answer and click on login. You are gonna log in with your username and password. After login, you will get a page like this. Here on the left side, you can see a basic mission, challenges. Click on basic missions. You can even read some of the blog articles, lectures to learn hacking. But who know basic hacking, you can get onto the challenges. Here, the basic challenge level 1. Click on that. You will redirect to the basic/1. Here the website asks us this level is what we call the idiot test. If you can't complete it, don't give up. Learning all you can, but don't go begging. So they tells us don't go begging for YouTube's and Google it. Here we want to enter the password, and if you have no idea what to do, you must learn HTML. They are telling that we have to learn HTML, but so we are viewing the page, and after getting the HTML, see that the password after this paragraph and control press F and password. Here we see the first few levels are extremely easy, and password is 06. Copy this and paste this on the site. Paste. Click on submit. You'll and the page shows that congrats, your basic 1 again. You completed basic 1 again. So I have already completed this, so no points awarded. For the second basic mission challenge, see my next video. So to get the next video as your notification, click on the notification icon bell after subscription. This is the basic level 2. I'm gonna show this in the next video. Thank you.